As you can see, I've got a little shit show going here in the workshop that needs to be cleared up. Alright, I've been doing some projects for workshop organization, trying to get it cleaned up, things streamlined, makes it more efficient in there. So here I'm cutting the feet for some storage bins that I'm going to put under that workbench that you saw at the beginning. And I was just using a bunch of scrap wood. The feet, the only thing that mattered was that they were all the same on each bin, but the feet didn't have to match on each other. That was the only thing about it. So I just went through some scrap, set myself a stop here, and chopped up some scrap. Now, what I'm doing here is cleaning up. These are just wine crates I got at the local wine store. They charged me $5 a piece for them. I couldn't find any other bin or rubber tub or anything from any of the big box stores that was anywhere near as cheap. So I went with these. And what I made here is just a little fixture to help me line up the feet that I'm putting on. And the feet, they really didn't need them, other than I used them so that they can stack and they don't slide around. And here I'm checking the first one, and it's a little snug. So what I end up doing is I just bumped that one and it worked. But what I do is I just glue a little strip of plastic. I think it was a gift card or something that was used up. And I just glued a little strip onto the two surfaces, the two corners of the locating fixture. And that moved it around and put it right where I needed it. And after that, everything fit just fine. I just threw some super glue on the plastic strips of card and let that sit for a minute. I don't know how well you can see that. I glued two little spacers in there to push the feet out a little bit so they'll snap into place a little easier. So now we're going to give another one a shot. The nice thing about these wooden crates are, you know, if you break one or jack one up, they're easy to fix. Or they were $5, you can just replace them. The other thing is they don't come with lids, but if you need a lid, you can buy an extra crate and take the bottom off of one, and you can end up with a lid. Yeah, there's the first three. I've got them going here. And I just go through and put feet on the rest of them here. There's all 6 stacked up and ready to go. Logos on them look kind of cool. Now I'm just cleaning out this disaster. Pulling everything out. One of my boards fell down. I mean, it was kind of ugly. Swept it up. Now I'm just loading all the crap in it, sorting it out. And they stack nicely. What you can't see here, I ended up doing was I put handles on them. I just got some cheap drawer pulls, and the handles are on the back side of them. I just turned them this way because I thought they'd look cool in the photo. Check you next time.